In today's fast-paced business world, staying on top of your customer relationships can be a daunting task. Sales teams are overwhelmed, important information is scattered, and opportunities are slipping through the cracks. The constant juggling of tasks, the pressure to meet customer expectations, and the challenge of keeping track of every interaction. Due to these challenges, businesses often struggle to achieve their primary goal. We present to you your all-in-one solution for efficient customer relationship management. Introducing Flylight CRM. Easily manage your contacts and track your sales pipeline by creating a campaign, adding bulk leads through Excel or CSV document, and assigning it to your employees. Let your employees start communicating with your customers directly from their mobile phone. They can call, email, or WhatsApp them directly from the Flylight app. With Flylight CRM, capture and store all customer information, from contact details to communication history. Watch reports and make informed decisions accordingly so that your business fosters lasting relationships with your customers. Flylight CRM stands out with its array of compelling features, including follow-up communication, lead management, task management, and deal management, making it a powerful tool for businesses. Stay informed with real-time updates and notifications, so your team never misses an important opportunity or lead. Imagine a sales team working seamlessly together, closing deals faster, and achieving greater success. Flylight CRM empowers your team to work smarter and achieve more. Upgrade to Flylight CRM today and see the difference it can make to your business. Get started today for free only on www.flylight.in.